Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use like a nice slice tool to kind of create a nice line edge right through your geometry. So the reason why I need to do that is, after my bake, I've noticed, this feather right here is going to need a little bit more geometry. Um, so I'm going to try and create a nice loop right through to kind of help make the low poly shape around the high poly a little bit nicer. So let me show you how I would do that in Maya. All right, so in Maya here, you can see that, this is why that bake is happening, why we're having that, the shape here, we need a little bit more geometry. So I'm just gonna hold my, I'm in edit component mode right now. So I'm gonna hold shift, right click. I'm gonna go to multi-cut, and then I'm gonna hold shift, left click, and just slice right through, and that's going to create a nice loop around. Now let's say I don't do that. Let's say I just do the regular shift. Because I have irregular and I have likely triangles on this model, it's going to create like a really weird line, which is why instead I'm going to want to select something that's going to make a little bit cleaner slice for me. And then I'm just going to go in here and I'm just going to readjust this to have it form nicer to the actual shape so that the bake comes out better.